Gideon versus Wainwright. Once upon a time, there was a man named Gideon who was accused of robbing a pool house by a Florida court. Now, homeboy was poor, so he couldn't afford his own lawyer. However, the state of Florida denied him having a lawyer, and Gideon had to represent himself. Well, this resulted in an unfair case, and Gideon lost. My man Gideon then went to prison for 5 years. During those 5 years, he studied the Constitution and decided he would write a letter to the Supreme Court. Now, Gideon doesn't go down without a fight, and Gideon found out that the 14th Amendment's due process law would mean he shouldn't have been denied a lawyer. So, Gideon requested his case be renewed, and this time the Supreme Court allowed him to have a lawyer. Well, turns out homeboy was right. The 14th Amendment says that the government can't deny the equal protection of rights without due process of law. This meant Gideon was allowed a lawyer even though the 6th Amendment states defendants only have a right for attorney for the federal government. This is why the case is so important, though. It changed the Bill of Rights, 6th Amendment, and allowed for every citizen to have the right for an attorney for both the federal and state governments. This case now allows all citizens to have a fair advantage in court, even if they can't afford an attorney. This case is so significant because it changed a law that would affect each upcoming court case. It's a total game changer now that the states have to provide a lawyer for people who can't afford it. This helps so many guilty citizens and benefits each court case that involves a defendant who isn't doing well on money. This court case changed the 6th Amendment and led to making every case fair and that there will be 2 experienced lawyers in trial.